Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin here. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and awake. That prevents prompts from hiding. With the Airpods in their case, open the lid and hold it beside the watch. Close proximity matters for pairing. If your iPhone usually auto-connects, disable its Bluetooth or put it in another room so the watch can claim the Airpods. Once done, keep both devices still and watch the next on-screen prompt on your watch face. You now trigger discovery. On the watch, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and wait while it scans. This is the watch looking for nearby headphones. When the AirPods name appears, tap it. Do not try to pair from the iPhone. The watch handles authentication and switches audio route to itself. If the AirPods don't show, press and hold the case pairing button until the status light flashes white. This forces them into pairing mode so the watch can find them. You finish by verifying audio output. Swipe up to Control Center, tap the audio icon, and select your AirPods. Play a short tone to confirm. If pairing fails, first restart the watch and place AirPods back in case for 30 seconds, then try the Bluetooth scan again. As a last resort, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until amber then white, and unpair the watch from the iPhone, then repair. This clears conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.